Hi everyone! In today's video, we're going to discuss how much a washdown scale costs. Wait, is it waterproof or washdown? Find out next. First, a little disclaimer. Some customers like to call these scales waterproof, which is why we use it in our title. However, that term is not quite accurate. The scales we sell are called Washdown safe and typically have an IP rating, usually somewhere between IP66 and IP69K. Basically, a washdown scale is designed to be water resistant and easily cleaned after use. The components of a washdown scale are typically constructed of stainless steel. In choosing a new washdown scale for your business, the quality of the components often plays a huge role in the cost. For example, in a standard bench scale, one way to lower the cost would be to use a stainless steel cover and a painted steel scale base. Another way to lower the cost is to use an aluminum load cell instead of stainless steel cell, or a hermetically sealed cell. If you're in a food processing setting, you should probably be using a stainless steel scale system designed to handle the rigors of daily cleaning. The scale base or platform is available in various sizes and capacities. At the time of this video, a high-quality 12x12 washdown scale platform costs around $800 to $1,300, and that's with an IP rating of IP66 and an aluminum load cell. Upgrading to a stainless steel load cell could be an additional $300 to $500 or more. Of course, the item that you see the most when you're using the scale is a digital weight indicator. If you're looking for a washdown scale, we recommend that you choose a stainless steel indicator with at least an IP68 rating. The indicators for washdown scales should be sealed to prevent water from entering. You will want a weight indicator that can not only withstand pressure washing, but also that can handle drastic temperature changes from hot to cold. An indicator that is best suited for a washdown environment will usually cost $800 to $1,500 or so, depending on the indicator enclosure and its features. So when you add all of this together, a good quality stainless steel washdown scale system with a 12x12 platform and IP69K rated indicator could have a total cost of around $2,000 depending on platform sizes, capacities, and more. I hope this video has helped you choose the right washdown scale for your needs. Make sure you look at the IP rating of both the scale base and indicator. If you need assistance or product recommendations, we are just a phone call away. Be sure to check out our website, centralcarolinascale.com as well. See you next time!